welcome. I'm really excited to bring you this short little video on what's happening really strongly right now for fall. And it's a look that everyone can carry off. It has no fit at all. It's the short little cape. So I'm going to take you through. First one, this is one I saw. This first picture, I saw this at Neiman's, and this is by the row. And look at the price. It's cashmere, that's why. But it's almost exactly the pattern that we have that I'm going to show you to make. So the row is a line, it's very upscale. Everything is priced that expensive. And it's just beautiful, but their fabrics are beautiful. Just everything is really, really beautiful. So this is a cashmere cape. Short capes are really popular, especially the cashmere. And so if you go to the next photo, we're going to show you. This is one by St. John, but knit. It's still like $600-700, but it's knit, so that therefore the price is much cheaper. But what I just wanted you to see is the trend that's going on for fall is these short little capes. And they're adorable. They're so cute. They're so easy to make, and they're very, very quick. So what we're going to do is we're going to use pattern number 75. And pattern number 75 has two parts to it. It has the cape itself, but then it's attached to the bottom part. We're going to leave off that bottom part. I'll show you in a little bit. But what I want to show you is pictures of the cape I have on, which I did out of the Hugo Boss Cashmere, which is on pre-sale through tomorrow. So it's fabric 5907. It's in the new fabrics that we put up Tuesday night. Was that last night? I guess it was. Tuesday night. And so I wanted you to just see all of the options that we have for you with this fabric, because also we have leather. And leather went up. You know, when I film these is not in real time, so leather went up this morning, so it'd be beautiful in a leather also. Just lots of great options. So first off, I took a picture of the cape, and I took it close up so you could see the lines are beautiful. It's shaped, it's fitted, so it just sits on the shoulders. It doesn't move around. It's got some little stitching that just form a sleeve so that it makes a nice little sleeve. You certainly could make it longer or shorter depending on what you want. I took a close picture of the clasp. We have these clasps. I love this. It's just casual. It's laid back. It keeps it in place. You wouldn't need it if you didn't want it, if you wanted to open it up. The one we showed you originally by the row, they have a tone-on-tone turtleneck that they have underneath. It's not a high neck. If you go back and look at that picture, it's actually a turtleneck underneath. So certainly you could do the same with a black cashmere, as you could wear that turtleneck underneath. So this is the Hugo Boss Cashmere 5907, pattern number 75. I'm going to show you a picture of the back, because if I turn around it won't help. But this is a picture of the back, and you can see it's got a real float, a real swing to it. It's like almost like a little swing cape. It's just so perfect for fall, you guys. It's everything. So you remember the old little capelets, and I love it. And it's a 20-minute project. It's just a great gift. It goes on and on and on. All right, so let's look at the pattern work here just real quickly. And the original cape, the pattern comes to buttons that close on the garment. So it fastens onto the garment so you can wear it with the garment or without the garment. But you're going to just add 2 inches to center front. On the pattern, add 2 inches to each side of center front. And what that will do is it'll give you enough that it will overlap at the front. It'll give you a little kind of a buttonhole closure, whatever. And keep in mind, if 2 inches is too much, you can always take it away. But I added 2 inches. It was perfect. And it's enough that it brings it into the middle, and then you can use it with a clasp, or you could just let it hang open. The row one didn't have any finish on the front. It was just overlapped. You notice it just overlapped a little bit, and you can do that. But most of all, I love my little cashmere cape for fall, and mine cost, it's $100 a yard. The Hugo Boss Cashmere is $100 a yard. It took 1 yard. So it cost me $100 rather than $5,000. What a deal. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.